Hey everybody, today is June 20th, 2010. Um, it's about 10 minutes past 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I just took my shower. And here's a really quick tour of my bathroom, I suppose. This is going to be, I guess you could call it a hanging out with me video, but more specifically at the park. It's going to be my second attempt at nature in 1 week. Yikes. And these are the clothes that have been laid out for me to wear for today's park outing. Let's go!
اگه دقت کردید چه خونه‌هایی ساخته بود در میلادی همون منطقه بود پارادایس آره اونا احتمالاً از این پولداران که مثلا اینجا یلاقش دار میکنن.
That's all the stuff, and plus there's more in the cars, so yeah, no wonder we don't go out to the park that often, because it's like we're freaking packing for a move. Of course, it's to be fair, this is ours and our friends' stuff, which came here to the park with us today. You know, I have to admit, being in nature once in a while, it's kind of fun. I know, I can't even believe that I just said that, but you know, it's true. La la la, la la la, la la la.
Hey Ashkan, it's hot dog. I'm going to prepare it for you. That's it.
بفرمایید سرد داره میشه شال خانم از این
برداشتم من مرسی
آخه سرد میشه
بال برداشتم
مرسی. Is it just me, or are all trees kind of rude to me? Hey, Mr. Tree, are you related to the other tree that I talked to a few days ago in the other park? See? They don't talk back to me, ever. What is wrong with you, dude? By the way, you smell like cow dung. Yeah, I said it. You stink.
ولی خب کلا خب خونش معلومه
خیلی
عریضه
وحشتناکه مثل آب خوردن آدمو میبره
The park, Braggvik Provincial Park. Braggvik Provincial Park. اینم حتما Braggvik River. اشکان جان یه لکچر به زبان محلی برامون بده.
فارسی یا انگلیسی؟
نه زبان محلی دیگه. همون زبان خودمون دیگه آره انگلیسی.
I don't know what to say. It's a very good fun
That's
day
up to you.
It's very sunny, which is kind of rare for Calgary. So
That's it?
for now.
For now. Okay. سمیرا خانم شهلا خانم So beautiful.
I've been getting quite a bit of sun today, which is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love it. Can't get enough vitamin D from nature's source. Well, that was all fun and 5 hours of awesomeness in nature. But now it's time for me to get back to my true love and life.